Welcome to Improve Your Focus and Concentration, a 7-week mindfulness meditation series which will improve your ability to focus, refocus, and sustain attention. My name is Lauren Ekstrom. I am the co-founder of Inner Dimension TV and a certified mindfulness meditation teacher. The series was designed based off of the latest scientific research out of Dr. Andrew Huberman's lab at Stanford University. This series includes 7 meditations designed to improve your ability to focus and refocus. You will repeat one meditation daily for a full week before moving on to the next meditation in the series. So by the end of this series, you see noticeable and marked changes in your ability to pay attention and concentrate by choice in our distracted world. Find a comfortable seat and let's begin.